In a Peruvian street, the warm glow hugs steaming oil as picarones bloom into crisp amber rings. The extreme macro catches dough being pressed, cut, and dropped, followed by a slow-motion whirl of batter meeting the sizzling pot and releasing a crackling chorus. A chorus of bubbling syrup and powdered sugar crowns the sweet, honeyed aroma, while the narrator describes velvet pumpkin and sweet potato notes with a gentle, inviting tone. Elegant labels appear nomming ingredients like pumpkin, sweet potato, Chancaca syrup, and cinnamon in gold calligraphy. The journey finishes with a smile, a warm bite, and a memory of tropical evenings.